Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to remove and replace the front wiper blades. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so these are the wiper blades I got. Now the passenger side is 26 inch, the driver side is 20 inch. If you look at the side of these boxes, usually you will see a bunch of different types of wiper arms. Now you have to first figure out what kind of arm do you have. So mine is, it's not a J-hook, it's a pinch tab, okay? And this is the first thing you have to see, but also there is like a small manual in most of these boxes, so you can find it here as well. You can see it's gonna be pinch tab. In my case, the blades got damaged from all the ice and snow, and also this cover right here fell off, actually broke when I was cleaning the ice of the windshield, so I have to replace it. And now what's happening, the wiper blade is actually falling off the wiper arm, so this is kind of urgent for me. Usually you have like a small tab to push here to remove the old wiper blade. Now in my case, like I said, it's broken, so it's just gonna fall off. But the most important thing is you have to remember what type of wiper arm you have, so you know which adapter to use on your new wiper blade. Now if I follow this manually, it says this is the adapter I have to use to install these wiper blades, and the wiper blade came with a different adapter. So the first step is to remove the faulty adapter from the wiper blade and install the proper adapter. Now to remove it, all you have to do, you just have to pop it out. Now I will try to do it using one hand, but I might have to use both of my hands. Okay, you see it's being held just here, so it just pops out. And what you want to do, you want to install the proper piece adapter. Now to do that, you always want to pay attention to the arrows. You see there's like an arrow here, and there is an arrow on top of the adapter. So what you will do, you will just pop it in. Now again, I might have to use both of my hands, I'm not sure, you will see. Okay, sit in place. And now this should be ready for installation. Now we can go to this manual and what it says. Okay, first unlock it, and then actually we have to remove couple of pieces from it to be able to install it. And let's do that now. So I will zoom in a bit and turn on the flash on my phone. So first I have to unlock it here somehow. Now all of these aftermarket wiper blades will be very similar but still a bit different. So if you get a different brand, things might be a tiny bit different for you, I'm just telling you that. But this is generally how you do it. Now I unlock this, and then the next step is to remove this black cover off. Okay, and I think I'll have to use both of my hands for this because I don't want to break this delicate plastic. But actually I did it. Okay, this is the cover and you will not need it actually. Next step, you have to remove this gray piece as well. This is also something you will not need. This also should just pop out, okay? Come on. Okay, that's it. This is also garbage. And now this wiper blade should be ready for installation. And to install it, as per the manual, you just push it in and then pull it down on the wiper arm. And once done, you just lock it in place. Not sure if I'll be able to record this, but you just have to kind of... I might have to use both of my hands for this, honestly. Okay, it's in. And now just push it, slide it down actually, all the way. You want this piece here to catch actually. Okay, you see? this piece has to be right here, it has to be locked, and then you just lock the top part as well, and you will hear a click, and that should be it actually. And make sure to remove this protector of the blade as well. And that's it. Always make sure it's nice and tight, it doesn't fall off, but as long as it's attached here behind this ear, you're good to go. And as long as this is locked in place on the top. This cover broke on my previous blades because of the ice. I was breaking the ice and I broke that as well, so that's why I had to replace them. But anyways, I got these WIPER blades for $5, so it's not too bad. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.